side of the net, and Elliott will stop that at the side of the goal and hang on. And more rush stuff after the whistle. Well, we thought this game might have a playoff feel, and it does. Now the gloves are off. Ferland, lands a big right hand as he dropped the mitts with Watson, who gets back to his feet. Second fight in this period.
Give the big Watson lots of credit. He bounced right up after that shot from Ferland. A rough game, and we've seen a lot of guys with a lot of enthusiasm here, a lot of drive. I just love this kind of stuff, and it's really brought up the temperature here in the building.